understand why organizing is so important. Yes, student, organizing is very important because when everything is messy, nothing can happen. In organization as well, in companies as well, they divide the tasks, they group activities as per the similarities. Means they have a production department, they have sales department, they have their creative department, they have academic department, they have different departments, so that each and every department can work efficiently without any hassle. So what are the importance? Let's understand the different importance of organizing. First is benefit of specialization. Organizing helps in giving the benefit of specialization. I will explain all these terms in detailed form ahead. Let's understand the brief. Second importance is organizing provide clarity in working relationships. Then it helps in effective administration as well, students. And then it helps in optimum utilization of resources. As I have explained you, optimum utilization means using by reducing the wastage of resources, that is optimum utilization of resources. And then organizing help a company in expansion and growth as well, students. And then it helps in adaptation to changes. There are different changes that takes place in the organization. Organizing helps in adaptation of those changes. Then seventh importance is development of personnel. Organizing also develop the human or personnel who are working in the organization or company. So let's understand these importance in detail, students. How it helps? Let's understand. Benefit of specialization. In organizing, every individual is assigned a part of total work. Means total work, some portion of total work, and not the whole task. In organizing, all the companies make sure that work is assigned into the different parts, not as a whole. This division of work into smaller units and repetitive performance leads to specialization. Yes, this means that when any person do any work repeatedly, he or she become expert in that part. It leads to specialization. Suppose you in your school also you have different specialized teacher who have different subjects. Why each and every teacher is teaching you different subject? Because they are specialized in that subject. What does that mean? They have practiced that subject, they have studied that subject, they have given different tests of that subject, then only they are teaching you, and they have become expert in that. This is what specialization is. In companies also, work is divided as per the skills of the employees, and employees work repeatedly, right? It helps them to attain what is specialization. Thus, organizing promotes specialization, which in turn leads to efficient and speedy performance of the task, right? When we become specialized in anything, our speed get improved after that. So this is what organizing does to the company. First is benefit of specialization. Clear, students? Let's understand the next one. What is that? Clarity in working relationships. What does this mean? Means when we assign tasks as per the skills of the employees, and when we divide their task accordingly, what happens? Each and every person does their task properly, and they are clear about what one has to do. This means it helps in creating well-defined jobs and also clarifying the limits of authority. In company, everyone have authority and responsibility relationship. So when their jobs are defined, it clarifies their limits of authority, means what kind of authority they have and what kind of responsibility they have to follow. And each responsibility of each job, the superior subordinate relationship is clearly defined in organizing. Yes, in organizing, superior subordinate relationship is clearly defined. Suppose in any company, in any edutech company, they have divided each and every person into departments like creative department, education department, admin department, and they have also created superior over each and every person, means team leader or the coordinator. Each and every person have to report to their coordinator or team leader, and team leader or coordinator will give them responsibility what job they have to do. This structure is defined and each and every person working in the organization have to follow this structure. It helps in organizing each and every effort of the employees as well as the resources in the organization and it also help the company to attain their objective or attain their ultimate goal. Now, if we'll talk about the next importance of organizing, that is effective administration. When we organize each and everything, our financial resources, our human resources, and other resources as well, what it does, it helps in effective administration. It provides a clear description of jobs and related duties. What does it mean? Clear description of jobs and related duties. In organizing, management divide the tasks as per the skills, as per the similarities, and each and every person knows about their job and what kind of duties they have to do. Each and every person is aware, which helps to avoid confusion. When in organizing, management organize everything like that, then what it does, it helps to avoid confusion and duplication of work. Suppose if you take example of different teacher, means you have two science teacher, one is teaching you the bio part and one is teaching you the physics chemistry both, right? So it is clear from your school management that this person has to teach you bio only and this person has to teach you physics and chemistry only. Why is it so? So that there shouldn't be any duplication of work. It will not happen that bio teacher will teach chemistry also, chemistry teacher is teaching bio also. Then your syllabus will not be completed or there may be duplication of the chapters, right? So in organizing, management makes sure that there is no duplication of work and there is effective administration as well, student. Clarity in working relationship enables proper execution of work. Yes. What does this term mean? Proper execution of work means when everyone is clear about their job, they can focus on doing their job. They know that this is the chunk of work they have to do and at this time they have to report to their superior. So what will happen? It will help in improving the execution part, which result in effective administration. Okay students, this is about the effective administration. Now let's move to other importance of organizing. What are those? Next is optimum utilization of resources. Yes, I have explained you this part in the definition itself, that in organizing we make sure that we combine all the resources, that is financial resources, human resources, so that we can do optimum utilization of resources, optimum utilization of available resources. This means the proper assignment of job, avoid overlapping and duplication of work. Yes, when we assign duties properly, there is no overlapping or duplication of work. This helps in preventing confusion and minimizing the wastage. Yes, it helps in minimizing the wastage as well. No one will do the task repeatedly. Each and every person will do their individual task. It helps in minimizing the wastage of resources and efforts as well. Yes, this is also an importance of organizing. Now, what organizing does? It also helps in adaptation to changes. Means we know that in our environment, in our business environment, there is many changes that are taking place, right? We have different environment like political environment, social environment, technological environment, and all the business have to take their decision and have to mold their planning according to those changes that are taking place. So it also helps to adaptation of changes. A properly designed organizational structure is flexible, which facilitate adjustment to change in workload, and it is caused by change in external environment as well, related to technology, products, resources and markets. Means when everything is organized, then we can change. If there is any change in the technology, we can change our plans. If there is any change in the products, we can change our policies. If there is any change in the resources and markets. So that's how organizing helps a company. Now, our sixth importance of organizing is development of personnel. Development of personnel means when manager delegate their authority, it reduces their workload so that they can focus on more important related issues of growth and innovation. You know, the reason for delegation in any organization or company is that management can focus on innovative things where they have to plan, make policies like that. So it in organizing also, management divide that work. Delegation is a part of organizing. That is why manager delegate the authority. It helps or it reduces their workload so that they can focus on more important issues related to the growth and innovation. This also develops the subordinates ability and helps him to realize his full potential. Yes, that's what I was trying to say. This means that when manager delegate their work, it make the employee responsible. When responsible means employee does his or her job properly and it develops its skill. His or her skill also get developed. So that is why organizing helps in development of the personal or human resource, those are working in the organization. Our sixth importance is expansion and growth. Yes, students. Our sixth point of organizing is development of personnel. Organizing also helps in developing the skills and efficiency of person. How? When managers delegate their responsibilities to the subordinates, it helps subordinate to develop their skill. They do that task themselves. When they do the task themselves, when they do the task repeatedly, it helps in attaining specialization as well as it helps in their overall development as well, students. Means when manager delegate their authority, it reduces their workload. It reduces their workload so they can focus on more important issues, students, more important issues related to the growth and innovation. You know that top level managers are the only person who are responsible for effective management of the company. They have lot of tasks to do. They have n number of tasks that they have to perform. So what they do, they delegate their responsibilities to the subordinate so that they can focus on the growth and innovation of the company. This also develops the subordinate ability and helps him to realize his full potential. Yes, that's what I was explaining you, student. Full potential. When subordinate does the task himself or herself, it develops skill within him or her and it helps to realize his or her full potential. Clear, students? Now our next point is expansion and growth. Organizing also helps in expansion and growth of the company. It helps in growth and diversification of enterprise by adding more job positions, departments, product lines, new geographical territories. In organizing, we divide our business into different segments. We have functional department as well as divisional department. In functional department, we have different function related department related to the sales department, production department, marketing department. And in office also, we arrange each and everything in departments, it helps our organization to grow as well. It helps it to expand, it helps it to grow, right? Organization can grow through organizing into different geographical territories as well. They can introduce different line of products through organizing only, right? It is very essential to organize each and everything, then only work can be done efficiently and effectively. Clear, students? So these were the main 7 importance of organizing. I hope it is clear to you.